This is the railway bridge over the Warta River in central Poland. I am in Sieradz. The Warta, well, you'll see that in a moment. And this is a bridge I've been wanting to see for a very long time. I can't explain it. It's just the sort of thing that I find very interesting. In 1902, the railway line from Warsaw to Kalisz was built. Kalisz was on the border between Russia and Germany. Now it's well inside Poland, but then Poland was a province of Russia, having been occupied by it in the 18th century. This bridge was built in 1902, but it didn't last very long. It lasted only until 1914. It was blown up, and a friend has a fantastic historical archive. He's a local historian from Łódź, and when he said to me to have a look at his collection, first thing I did was to open a box, and there was a picture of this bridge, a postcard from 1915, I presume, showing it destroyed. There's the Warta River, and there's Sieradz. And you see the floodplain of the river over here. 1922 to 1925 it was repaired, but there's another war. September 1939, the retreating Polish army blew it up, and this time it took until 1940 to actually repair it, and it was actually repaired in such a way as to even make it stronger. But less than 5 years later, the Soviets were advancing. January 1945, following the collapse of the German line on the Vistula River, it was blown up again. And this time in communist Poland, it took until 1954, because the communists are not very good at organizing anything. So it took them this long to actually rebuild it. And since then, I know it's been sort of modernized and repaired. Now, there we have the view. Now, this river, the Warta River, gave its name to an area of the Third Reich which was annexed to it from Poland, the Wartaland, at W-A-R-T-H-E in German and W-A-R-T-A in Polish, Warta. And this area is particularly well known to viewers of mine because I've done a number of videos relating to the Holocaust. Here in Sieradz there was a ghetto, and there were approximately 3,000 people in the ghetto, which was in the centre of the city. Those people were taken to Chełmno nad Nerem, where I've done a death camp at Chełmno nad Nerem, in September 1942. It might have been August 42, no, I think it was September though. And then amongst many other places. So this is a place I've wanted to see for such a long time. I really am impressed by all sorts of industrial heritage and architecture, and even if I mightn't know much about them, I like to see them. And this really does appeal to me. Thanks for watching.